Listen, the holidays have snuck up on us faster than winter has. And I know as much as you saw everybody telling you to save months in advance, you probably didn't. All right, I know that I didn't really save as much as I wanted to for Christmas, and that's what today's video is going to be about. Today's video is about how to actually use Rakuten to get cash back on your Christmas gifts this year. The average American spends between $800 to $1,000 a year on Christmas gifts. It doesn't really sound like much of a gift because we're paying off that debt well into the new year. And so even though we do care and we love our family, it's nice to be able to buy gifts for our family online and make some extra cash for ourselves. I'm Candace Latham, and this channel is dedicated to helping the bad and bougie create a game plan for their finances. But I can use all the cash back I can, especially right now. I'm getting ready to move, as you guys know, so that's going to be a lot on top of all of the other bills that I have, and then trying to buy Christmas gifts on top of that. So I understand how you might be feeling, all right? I get it, and that's why I created this video for you, all right? And I know that you don't really want to buy Christmas gifts for everybody else. I'll buy all the gifts and the makeup and the clothes and the accessories for yourself, but that's not the way it works. It's better to give than it is to receive, or so I've heard. Wait, I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what Rakuten is, how you can sign up today and start getting cash back on your online purchases. So let's go over there, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. All right. Here we go. Go to Rakuten.com, and they were formerly known as Ebates. So you go to Rakuten.com and you click to create with the Facebook account, or you can just create with the Google account. Whatever you decide, you just want to join. So once you join, this is how it's going to look. So this is like your home page. You go here, this is going to be your home page. And you get to see all of the deals that are happening right now, like how much cash back you would get. So let's say I wanted to get something for my sister from Bed Bath & Beyond. So I click Bed Bath & Beyond. I click Shop Now, and it's taking me to Bed Bath & Beyond. And my Ebates little ringer is already ringing. So it's already saying it's activating 4% cash back. So let's say I wanted to get her, I've been doing a lot of home decor shopping myself since I'm moving soon. But let's just pretend that that's for her. Let's say we want to get her some new curtains because we were just talking about buying curtains the other day. Ooh, let's say that we want to get her these ones right here. Right? So I would click here. I would add it to my cart. And after I actually went to purchase these curtains for her, my Rakuten app is already activated. You can see here that it's already activated. Come on. Well, it was already activated earlier. It's telling me that I've been approved. But you can see here that it's already activated. So once I actually go to check out, I would pay this amount, and then I would get an email saying that I got 4% cash back from Bed Bath & Beyond. So that's really how it works. It's super simple. You want to make sure that you actually have the little button. So if you just go to, Rakuten.com/button, you can just get it for free and just install it on your Firefox browser. So you can have it. So if I were to go to Macy's.com, then I would see the app pop up, right? So it pops up right here. I would just click activate 6% cash back. And then when I shop, it's already telling me that it's activated. So that means once I do decide to purchase something, that it will just automatically be credited into my account and I will receive an email. So you just shop like normal. And again, this is great because I'm already purchasing things that I was going to buy for my family members anyway. And so this just helps me do that in a smarter manner. These are all of the different stores and the different categories you can see here. They have health and beauty, shoes and handbags. And so you just get to see right away what is the amount of cash back that you will receive. So this is just a great way to add some extra money back into your pocket while you're doing some holiday shopping for friends and family, and take a little bit of time for your cash back to add up. But like I said, every little bit counts. Money by referring your
and family to Rakuten. So if you guys actually sign up through my link, which of course I'm going to promote my link, I will receive $25 and you will also receive, I believe you too do receive something as well. So it's really just the gift that keeps on giving. Link with you guys if you're interested in signing up. Again, when I refer you and you click my link, you'll get $10 once you actually use the app, and I get $25. And then you can refer it to your friends and family as well. So this is just a great app, something that I've been trying to incorporate more into my online shopping.
This is how you guys use the Rakuten app to get cash back on your Christmas and on your Christmas shopping. And even after, well after Christmas, you can still use the app if you're shopping to get cashback rewards. It's a great way for you to earn extra money on the things that you were already planning on buying anyway.